Kondosan.
Once upon a time, everyone woke up to screams on the farm.
My eggs! My eggs!
Inventor Goat heard the screams and ran to the chicken coop. She was shocked at the sight. All the eggs were gone, and there were colourful balls instead.
That wolf will pay for this.
Inventor Goat looked around. The chicken coop door didn't appear to be broken, and everything seemed to be in place.
What makes you think the wolf did it? Who else could it be? You ladies should leave so that I can check the place carefully.
Inventor Goat examined everything using her magnifying glass. The little goat found a smudge of paint, hoof prints, and a hair strand on the wires.
It can't be the wolf.
Inventor Goat shared her findings with the hens. The hens were surprised.
I need more time to make sure I am on the right track. I'll go over the clues again. Don't worry, I will find your eggs.
At that time, the clueless wolf was sneaking in the window to steal the eggs. He hid behind the bales of hay and gathered the colourful balls as he mistook them by eggs.
Wolf, what are you doing here? It could get ugly if the hens find you here. Go away from here now.
The wolf didn't care and continued to take some eggs. At that moment, the hens came into the coop and saw what the wolf had done. They got angry.
Ouch! Ow! Hey! Don't touch me! Help! Help it!
The animal farms were about to punish the wolf when Inventor Goat shouted.
Stop! He didn't do it. He didn't?
I didn't?
No. The one who took the eggs is Stylish Goat. The hoof prints, the piece of cloth, the smudge of paint on the ground, it all points to her.
The animal farms were curious. They decided to find Stylish Goat. She was the one who took the eggs. She was actually decorating the eggs to surprise the hens to celebrate Hens Day.
I thought I would finish decorating them on time. I'm sorry if I frightened you. I was very careful not to crack the eggs. I didn't realize what time it was.
What did I take then? Empty shells? Happy Hen Day, ladies!
Are you still here? Chase him, girls!
Once upon a time, the wicked wolf was wandering in the forest. Then he ran into the elephant.
Yikes! Mummy!
The elephant got so scared that he jumped very high.
Ha ha ha! I'm a scary wolf, aren't I?
Oh, it's just you. I thought you were a grumpy monster.
The wolf was puzzled.
What grumpy monster? What do you mean?
It's a hideous, frightening creature. Dreamer Goat told us about it. Just thinking about it gives me goosebumps.
If the chicken saw this scary monster, I could steal all the eggs.
The wolf rushed to the farm and ran into Dreamer Goat, who was looking up at the clouds.
Look, that cloud looks just like you.
Forget about the clouds. Could you make me look like a grumpy monster?
What for?
The wolf didn't tell the goat about his plan, of course.
I thought we could play pretend.
Dreamer Goat got up and cut palm branches. He then wove them together and sharpened them like mouse ears. He used hay to make it look like fur and a rope to make the tail. He then got a paper cone to make the nose.
And here you have it, the grumpy monster.
I look scary, don't I?
Let's play.
Why would I play with you, silly goat? Instead, I will scare the chickens and steal their eggs.
You tricked me. That's not fair.
Of course it is. It was very easy.
Dreamer Goat took a good look at the wolf and realized that he didn't look scary at all. On the contrary, he looked funny.
Okay, go and find the chickens then.
The wolf started roaring. And when he found the chickens,
What's so funny? Why are you laughing? Am I not scary?
Oh, but we are scared. We're terrified. Look at how we're trembling.
The wolf started to run away, and Dreamer Goat went back to daydreaming, watching the clouds.